Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the next edition of Wolfcast Weather. Today's the big day. It's Monday morning of the eclipse. We're about 6 hours out. Now that we're getting so close, we're going to really rely on the satellites, things that are showing us what's actually happening, and rely maybe a little bit less on the models. So to start, let's look at the GOES East satellite imagery that we've really we really get a nice view. First, it's really cool. They put out the track of the eclipse on the map today. And as you can see right now, we are already clearing those clouds that are associated with the warm front. They're already getting past Western Ohio. Really good sign for us here in Cleveland. So those again are those opaque clouds that we really want to make sure are past us. So and then we look at the cirrus clouds that are coming up from the south. Those right now, Oklahoma, Arkansas, southern Missouri, those are the ones we're going to really need to watch as they're making their way towards us, likely arriving by the time of the eclipse. And let's see what the models say about what those will do. So this is, 9 a.m. Let's go 10, 11, 12. You see that those high cirrus clouds in red making their way in. Here's 3 p.m. So they've probably made it to our area. However, again, those are those thinner, higher level clouds that we can probably see through, so not a totally obstructed view, which is good. Now, one other thing I'm looking at, which is hopeful, let's go back right now. You see the models thought that Oklahoma would be pretty much covered, southern Missouri pretty much covered with these clouds. We see that, there is some coverage, but maybe not as thick as the models thought. And so I'm hopeful that, perhaps the models are going to overestimate a little bit this cloud cover, and that high cirrus clouds will be a little more scattered, which will give us a better opportunity for a clear view. So in summary, the low level clouds looks like they'll be past Cleveland. If you want to really make sure you're safe, the further west you go, the better. I'll be having my eye on doing that. But then we're also going to have to watch these cirrus clouds making their way in the area. I'm less scared about those kind of ruining the event, but the hope is those will be scattered and give us some really nice views of the eclipse. So enjoyed out there today. It's been really great having you tune in for the eclipse, and more of these to come on upcoming important weather events. Thanks for tuning in.